Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Make a cut in the middle of your beef. Immediately you're done mixing that, making the cuts through your beef, mix all together 1 teaspoon of dry garlic, paprika, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon or should I say a quarter of salt, a quarter teaspoon of thyme also, and a quarter teaspoon of knorr. Add paprika also. Then mix all together. Next thing you want to do is you want to cut your onions. And once you just take your time, you want to cut your onions. While we're doing that, next thing we want to do right here is want to add a few drops of oil to our pan and fry our onions. We'll fry our onions for like few minutes, and in between I'm looking at close to like just fry our onions for like 4 to 5 minutes. Let it just steam up. Let it just steam up a little bit. And the next thing we want to do is I want to rub our beef with our spices. Time you want to rub it everywhere, and at this point in time we want to get our mushroom also. Rinse your mushroom, and once you're done rinsing your mushroom, you want to cut it into few pieces like you can. Like it doesn't really have to be like little small, but you want to cut your mushrooms into mini pieces. And once again, we're going back to our onions, our fried onions, and at this point in time, this is where we add our mushrooms. Let our mushrooms and our onions fry for another 5 minutes. In between, don't forget to add our spices as we're adding salt, we'll add our pepper, and we'll add our thyme also. Then mix together. And once you verify this is when you just let them fry let everything fry together for 5 minutes. That is done, and this is where we put it aside. Okay, so at this point in time, what we're going to do now is we're going to cover. What we're going to do at this point in time is stuff our beef with our fried onions and mushroom. together. One thing I didn't tell you guys initially is we're gonna have a bacon, and the first one is we want to get our four. Then once we get our four, we want to put our bacon on the four. And once we're done with that, we want to wrap our beef with our bacon. Once you're done wrapping it, you want to leave it for 2 minutes. Probably like once you're done wrapping, you want to leave it for like 4 to 5 minutes. Cut about 5 potatoes, and once you're done cutting your potatoes, the next thing you want to do is you want to add your salt, you want to add your paprika. Apart from your paprika, you want to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix everything together, and once you're satisfied with that, the next phase will be placing our beef on the next thing we want to do is want to put it on a pan, and also add our potatoes also to it. Once we're done with that, what we want to do next is we want to bake both at about 250 degrees. And once you do that, next thing we want to do is we want to get about 4 cloves of garlic. You want to add the pesos to it. Right there, this is where you see right there, we need to take our potatoes off. Right here, we currently have our fries right there. And the next thing you do is you want to open your foil. You want to open your foil and throw it back into the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Once you do that, this is gonna be your outcome. It's easy and incredible, delicious. Look at that guy looking so crispy. And yeah, at this point in time, I think we're ready to serve our delicious meal right here. Look at that guy looking so good. Try to apply your juice also, and that's remember our garlic, our butter, and especially you want to apply it to give it that juicy look. It's currently time to serve in plate, and while you're serving it in plate, don't forget to also add your fries also. so super delicious. Thanks for all you do and subscribe to watch more. Thank you.